Hey everyone, my name is Jay Patel and I welcome all of you to a new video of my YouTube channel. And today in this video I am going to talk about a very famous learning platform, Microsoft Learn. So today in this video we are going to see that what exactly Microsoft Learn is and what can you explore in Microsoft Learn, what can you learn from this amazing platform, and why is it very important for students. We are going to see everything in today's video, right? So let me just search Microsoft Learn here in the browser, and we are going to see that what it is, right? So as you can see, here is the first link, which is Microsoft Learn, build skills that open doors in your career. So I'm going to click on that, and now you'll be getting this kind of interface in front of yourself. Here you can see there are a lot of tabs like documentation, training, certifications, Q&A, code samples, assessments, shows, events. So there are a lot of things, right? But before that, let me just tell you all that what exactly Microsoft Learn is. So Microsoft Learn is basically an online platform which is created by Microsoft, obviously, that provides free interactive learning resources and tutorials for a wide range of Microsoft products and technologies. In short, if you want to learn about any Microsoft technology, and if you want to know about any Microsoft product, then you can know about it from Microsoft Learn. It's basically the platform which teaches you about the different Microsoft technologies and gives you the insights about them, right? It is designed to help individuals learn how to use Microsoft softwares, tools and services such as Azure, Office 365, Windows, and many more such things, right? Now, how the learning environment of Microsoft Learn works, how exactly they provide you such kind of materials. So basically there is a system of learning paths, modules and hands-on labs that basically cater to different skill levels from beginners to advanced users. And now we are going to see each one of those things, right? You can see here is also this tab which is certifications, and before taking a look at certifications, let's see what is inside the training. So when you click on the training tab, as you can see here, you can find some popular learning paths and modules from here. Now these are some of the learning paths which you can see here, and besides that you can browse the learning paths from here. Let's see some of these learning paths. Okay, we have Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, describe cloud concepts, and here also they have also displayed the duration of this learning path, which is 52 minutes. So let's click on this first learning path. So when I click here, as you can see, it is showing the start button, and from here you can just read all of this documentations, and they also have this knowledge check kind of thing where you can check your knowledge after reading this different documentations, right? So basically you can prepare yourself from here. You can learn about different Microsoft technologies like introduction to GitHub Copilot, then get started building with Power BI, and many more such things, right? So you can find all of this different kind of things from the training section. Now in the documentation section, you can search for in-depth articles on Microsoft developer tools and technologies from here. As you can see, there are a lot of different articles. This is about C++, Azure Stack, Quantum, then we have Azure, Microsoft build of OpenJDK. So there are a lot of different articles which are published by Microsoft. You can read about all of these things from Microsoft Learn. So you just see that how amazing this is, right? Now after that, let's come to this certifications part. So let me just see. Okay, so here we have Microsoft certifications. Now this is very interesting, guys. Here it is written that earn certifications that shows you are keeping pace with today's technical roles and requirements. Microsoft has certification paths for many technical job roles. In short, you can give the examinations on Microsoft Learn as well. Here you can see some of the most popular certifications. You can get certified by Microsoft for all of these different technologies. You can see some of these technologies like Azure Fundamentals, then we have Microsoft 365 certified fundamentals, then we have Microsoft certified Power Platform fundamentals. So let's click on one of these. Like let me just click on this Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. and they have also provided the details about the certification. You can give all of the certification exams, and they have also provided the resources for preparing for the examination. So you can just visit all of these resources and you can learn about Azure Cloud and all of these different technologies, and you can earn the certification, right? You can give the exam, okay? You can just give the examination and you can earn your certification from Microsoft. So this is very amazing. You'll officially will be getting certified by Microsoft for a particular technology in which you're interested, right? So you can learn about it from here, you can give the examination, and you can get certified by Microsoft as well. Then we have this shows section, where you can just discover thousands of hours of fun, authentic and informative original programming from Microsoft technical experts. So here you'll be able to find different series, like you can see this is Bash for beginners, then we have special edition performance troubleshooting, HSQL for beginners, and all different kind of things you can find from here, right? These are some fun, authentic and informative original programming which is offered from Microsoft technical experts, right? Then if I'm clicking on this events section, then you can get information about the upcoming live events, and you can also watch the past events from here, right? So as you can see, it is showing Microsoft Build 2023, so you can watch it from here, which was held between May 23 to 25 2023, and here are some of the featured events. So you can know about all the events of Microsoft from this events section. So just see guys, this is very useful for those people who are interested in programming, who are developers, who are IT professionals, and especially the students can explore this amazing website of Microsoft and learn about these different things. They can take participation in different events, they can train themselves, they can read the documentations offered by the Microsoft, right? You can also earn the certifications by the Microsoft. So there are a lot of different opportunities for you to explore from this website. So what are you waiting for? If you are a student and if you want to become the part of Microsoft, if you want to know about different technologies of Microsoft, then you should definitely try this thing, because this will really going to help you to boost the productivity in your career, and will help you get a better job in the future as well. So just visit this website and have a wonderful time. With that, I hope that I provided you some information which is useful for you, and on a happy note, I'm ending this video. Thank you so much.